Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing super healthy, tasty, gluten-free, diabetic-friendly Weight Watchers summer special breakfast loaded with protein and nutrients from veggies. This is super healthy recipe and is very simple and easy that can be made in just 10 minutes. Moreover, this breakfast recipe is made with just 2 teaspoons of oil. So, if you are planning to make diabetic friendly, gluten free summer special breakfast or lunch or dinner, this would be a great option. If you are new here, welcome to Homemade Flavors. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with our recipe, take a mixing bowl and into this mixing bowl add one medium sized onion that is chopped into small pieces, and here we have this methi leaves. Methi or fenugreek has benefits for lowering blood sugar levels, boosting testosterone to increase milk production in feeding mothers. Fenugreek also reduces the cholesterol levels, lowers the inflammation and helps in appetite control. After adding 1 cup of fenugreek leaves, add 1 carrot that is grated. Now add 1 medium sized cucumber that is grated. You may add any vegetable that is available. Now add 1 or 2 green chilies according to your spice levels. If you don't want to add green chilies, you can avoid. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Rub the carom seeds in between the palms and add. Now add salt as per taste. Now give a good mix so that all the spices combines with the vegetables. Here, after mixing all the vegetables, if I squeeze, there is a lot of water in the vegetables, so just adjust the flour accordingly. Here I have 1 cup of jowar flour. I am adding in batches and mixing it. Jowar is a gluten-free millet and it is a healthy diet for all, not only for those who are gluten intolerant but also those who want to live a healthy lifestyle. And jowar has complex carbs and will absorb slowly into the bloodstream and do not cause a spike in insulin. As the dough formed is very tight, here I added a few drops of water and I am making the dough. This way, gradual adding of water helps in knowing the correct consistency of the dough. Here today in our recipe, I added both jowar and fenugreek or methi leaves because both jowar and methi is a very good combination because they both had a fair source of iron and this helps in preventing anemia. Moreover, jowar is high in fiber, protein, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phytochemical antioxidants. Here you can see this is the correct consistency of the dough. As our dough is ready, now let's start making roti. To make roti, take a cotton cloth or a kitchen towel and wet this cotton cloth or kitchen towel. Now take a big lemon sized dough and form into a roti like this. Wet the hands with water in between and make into roti. So this will help in making the roti without sticking to hand, and also wetting the hands in between helps in making the roti very easily. Spread the roti into 1/4 inch thickness roti. Here you can see our roti is ready. Now heat the pan, and once the pan is heated, grease the pan with a little amount of oil. As I'm using cast iron pan, this greasing is mandatory. Now transfer the prepared roti onto the pan and allow this to cook on medium heat. After a minute, flip to the other side and allow to cook on the other side also. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil on each side of the roti and allow the roti to cook on a low to medium heat. This jowar methi roti is diabetic friendly and Weight Watchers recipe because of the complex carbs that will be absorbed slowly into the bloodstream and do not cause the spike in insulin levels. As the jowar is high in fiber and protein content, this helps in reducing weight also. I said this is a summer special Weight Watchers breakfast or lunch because jowar has a cooling effect on the body. So jowar is usually taken during summer, making it a summer special diabetic friendly Weight Watchers breakfast or lunch. So friends, try making this healthy gluten free diabetic friendly Weight Watchers jawar methi masala roti and enjoy with a dip of curd, or you can eat directly as it is, but I like eating this with the curd. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.